He walked into court joking. He had a fool for a client. But the judge knew him as a hero long before this day. He steps up and explains with a smile that he is here representing a fool himself. He admits he was driving a little too fast on his way home down Blackstone Avenue. The judge recognizes him instantly. He's seen him many times before, but always representing people in need. He explains that he's a law professor who runs the clinical programs at the university. Every day he and his students work with people experiencing homelessness, veterans, and those who have nowhere else to turn. He doesn't take private clients. He only helps the indigent. The Judge Frank Caprio acknowledges how often he sees him in the courtroom standing beside people who feel forgotten. With respect, the judge quickly dismisses his own speeding case. But before he goes, the judge asks for one example of a life he's helped turn around. He tells a story of a woman who used to live in her car. She had so many unpaid tickets that her car was booted. She came to court with nothing, not even enough money for basic food. She broke down in tears. After that moment in front of the judge, she was able to get housing, take computer classes, and start building a productive, stable life. He says that today, she's happier than she ever was before. The judge pauses, moved. He says people's lives can spiral down so easily, but it takes real dedication to lift them back up, and this professor has lifted many. He tells them that if helping one person makes a life meaningful, then this man's life is overflowing with meaning. The professor replies that he appreciates the judge's compassion just as much. He says the judge's kindness toward the poor and forgotten has always inspired him. They exchange a warm, heartfelt nod that says everything.